about, I'd say almost a year. It'll be a year in April. This is like the fastest car I own, and this car never gets old. So if you guys are looking to buy one, I 100% recommend this car. Like, for the price, I mean, I paid 10,000 over, so I paid like 160 for this car. Bro, what is this guy? This guy's cracked. Holy shit. But anyways, yeah, I paid 160 for this car, and for 160 you're getting a car that competes with you know, a Huracan, a GT3, you know, cars in that price range. But I think this price, you know, I mean, you can get one for like under MSRP now for like 140, you know, 130. This is a 3LZ convertible, so it was a little bit more, but it's worth it. I liked convertible better than the coupe because I don't like manually taking the top off. It just makes it really easy, and I don't really care about seeing the engine, to be honest. But yeah, I love this car. It's purple, as you guys can see. It is. I originally got it black, but I mean, it's so nice. Like, I think Chevy did a great job. Like, you can't even tell it's a Chevy, bro. Like, this car is insane. And it never gets old. Like, it literally, this sound, this V8, bro, it never gets old. It literally never gets old. Like, it sounds so nice, especially with what I have done to the car. Like, it sounds more high pitched. It literally sounds like a fighter jet. But yeah, this is my first POV, so if it's terrible, let me know in the comments. Like, I'm doing my best. I don't even know how the audio sounds, so hopefully it sounds good. Hopefully you guys can actually hear the car and you guys can hear me talking. But yeah, it's my first video, so let me know. I mean, I'm trying to become a car YouTuber. I do have some pretty cool cars I can make videos on. I have some cars that I have ordered that I can make videos on. But yeah, this is my attempt to try to make some cool videos for you guys. I do go to a bunch of car meets and see some other, you know, cool cars out there. But yeah, if you guys want to see videos like that, let me know. All right, we're about to get on the highway. Let's go. We're going to Costco, guys. Let's go. It's gonna be the first ever purple C8 Z06 at a Costco, unless there's been one before. I don't know. This guy's costing, bro. Speed it up, buddy. Yeah, I can't. Alright, thank you. You know what, let me hit a downshift for you guys. Yeah, this car's crazy. To blur the speed, like I said, not trying to injure someone. What does this guy do? Yeah, see, this is why a bunch of idiots in Texas. You gotta watch out for those guys, man. I got this guy on camera too. What an idiot. But yeah, like, some other things about this car, like, it does have a really good stereo system. So if you like listening to music, like, I definitely love music. I listen to a bunch of music.
I done lost everything, I never lost my self-esteem. Back and forth, up and down the streets, feel like a trampoline. We are supposed to go against me, but at the same time.
So, I mean, you guys probably can't hear like I can, obviously, but I mean, it sounds really good. We got good brakes too. Yeah, sounds nuts. Alright, we are here. Let's go to Costco. moaning is so loud, like it actually pierces your ears. Like it actually hurts your ears. Like it actually hurts your ears. But it's fine. It's a, you know, it's a sports car. It's supposed to do that. So yeah, I'm trying to make videos to inspire younger people like me to pursue their dreams so they can afford nice cars like this. You can do anything you want in this world, man. Anything you want. You just gotta put your mind to it, execute your plan, don't be lazy. Hard work pays off. Like I said, I do have another cool car coming in. I'll make a video on that. But yeah, I love cars, so that's why I started a channel. If you guys think I'm, you know, cool or, you know, somewhat decent, please subscribe. But yeah, I'm trying to give you guys the best content as possible. Alright, let's, we're almost there. We're at Whole Foods, we're almost at Costco. Park, bro. All right. Turn left here. This guy's looking at me. I don't like being looked at. Well, I'm kind of asking for it in a purple car. Oh, look, another Corvette. Wow. Cool guy. All right, we're gonna back this up right here. Pro, come on, stop playing with me. Alright, you know what that'll do. Cool, I will be back. Alright. Ciao, buddy. Let's safely get out of here. And I will say one thing. Every time I drive this car, bro, no one, like, I've never gotten in, like, a race or anything, you know? Like, I've always wanted to, like, get in, like, a little race. You know, nothing crazy, but no one wants to race, bro. Like, and, bro, every time I drive a regular car, like, I see the craziest cars. But whenever I'm in this, I literally see no supercars, no, you know, nothing. It's crazy. I don't know if that happens to anyone else, but literally, whenever I'm in this car, I see nothing. But of course, when I'm in another car, all the cars come out. It's a nice Corvette. Gotta say what's up to the gang, bro. You know what, I'm gonna rev it. I'm gonna rev it for you guys. I want you guys to hear this. Wait, I'm not even in Z mode. Yeah, I just fumbled. I just choked, man. I just choked 5.5. that sound. Sound is magical. For the price, or for half the price of a Lamborghini, it's 100% worth it. 100%. The sound, I mean, bro, it almost sounds like a V10. Like, it literally, it sounds beautiful. Especially with all these mods I got to it. Like, it just sounds really good. And like, after almost a year of having it, like, I'm not bored. And I have ADHD. Like, I get bored really fast from things. Like, and I don't want to ever sell this car. Like, it has not gotten boring to me. Like, the sound always puts a smile on your face. Like, it just sounds so good. Guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys want to see more videos, maybe in the next one I'll talk less and I'll drive longer, you know, go on a better road. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, type in the comments. But yeah, this was fun. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.